everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you all a recipe of dachi. So dachi is nothing but boiled vegetables and cheese. So it is something that I've been eating from my childhood. So in this video I'm just going to share on how we prepare it. So without doing any further ado, let's start with the video. The main ingredients that we need for dachi is some chopped mushrooms, some potatoes, okay, as per you want, and some chopped chilies, and also a little bit of cheese. So you can add, how much ever cheese you want, but here I'm adding 2 cubes of cheese. Now to start with, heat a karai and add a little bit of oil to it. And once it's heated up, add some onions and cook it until it's light brown. So after some time, add some tomatoes as well, and stir it and cook it for some time. Now there are a lot of ways that people make dachi, but usually at home this is the kind that we do. We fry it a little and then we cook it. So okay, so once it's done, add chopped chilies to it and cook it again. Okay, and then we need to add the potatoes. So here I'm not going to add any masalas like haldi or chili powder. It's just going to be oil, vegetables, and that's it. After 2 to 3 minutes, add some freshly chopped mushrooms as well. So this is my favorite part. I love mushrooms more than the potatoes and the chilies. So add some salt to taste and just put on the lid and let it cook for good 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, this is how the vegetables will look like. So I haven't added any water here. It's all the water of the mushrooms. And here I'm adding some warm water to it. After cooking it for good 5 to 10 minutes, this is how our boiled vegetables will look like. Okay, and so now I'm just going to add some cheese here. So we usually add a different kind of cheese that is called churpi, which is white in color and it will be a little smelly, but then since it was not available, so I'm adding this cheese here, and I'll let it cook again for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is how it looks like once it's served, and I forgot to take a video of it, so hence I've taken a photo here. It'll be very tasty, and hence this is how we make dachi at home.